broken for you. His body was there, vital and alive, and his blood was in his veins. He took the cup and said, "This is my blood which is shed for you." They were emblems. He did it at night when, for centuries, God's people had lifted emblems to look back to an event of deliverance out of Egypt. Competing with mystery religions in the Roman world, they added hocus pocus, and that's literal. For our word hocus pocus comes from hocus corpus meus, the Latin for "this is my body." High liturgy has made it removed from the understanding of the ordinary saint, and very little discernment of what it's about goes on. Paul warned the Corinthians who lost their focus on its meaning that they could eat and drink damnation to themselves. Krima is the word in the Greek. It's a temporary punishment contrasted with katakrima, which is ultimate, the damnation given to a sinning world. The temporary punishment, sickness, weakness, death from that cause in some cases. They said this temporary punishment is for not discerning the Lord's body you should partake. He never ever said you shouldn't partake unworthy. And anybody that can partake at any other starting point, we're all unworthy. We're made worthy by the blood of the Lamb. What he said is you can't and shouldn't partake unworthily. It's an adverb. It modifies the action, not the actor. And the temporary punishment is for partaking unworthily. Define what that is. It's eating and drinking, not discerning the Lord's body. Forgetting what it's all about. It was very simple the night he did it. They didn't have to have any mystical concept of transubstantiation. They were Jews keeping a Passover. He took the bread and broke it and gave it new meaning. The Passover comes from that night in Israel when the angel passed over the houses of those that had simply done what God said through his servant for them to do, and then find deliverance from his wrath, mercy at his hand. Take a lamb, lay it on the threshold,